after the Indigo mess and crisis, now a compensation plan. Passengers who were severely impacted during the chaos at airports between 3rd to 5th of December due to the crew shortage will now receive 10,000 rupees in compensation in the form of a voucher, is what has been said. Indigo has not specifically really said what do they mean by severely impacted and how it would identify customers for the compensation payout. The airline is facing a fine and action over the cancellation of hundreds of flights for several days. Said in a release, it has already ensured necessary refunds for the cancelled flights. So compensation plan there being released by Indigo, saying that they will give travel vouchers worth 10,000 rupees to those passengers and customers who have been severely impacted by the flight cancellations. Well, let's go across to Tanushka for more. And Tanushka, give us more details of what this now means in terms of which customers know that they're going to receive this 10,000 rupee voucher, and is this above and beyond the money they've already received for the cancelled flights?
Precisely, yes, that's exactly what Indigo means in terms of a compensation, that this 10,000 voucher. Now, what is to be noted that this is not going to be a direct transfer into anyone's bank accounts, but this is going to be a voucher, which means that in future, up to the next 12 months, one can book any Indigo flight using this 10,000 voucher, travel voucher. And one must also note is that these are only for people who were severely impacted during the December 3rd to December 5th cancellations. What is more important to note right now is the high-level meeting that is undergoing right here at the DGCA office. I'm currently standing outside the Director General of Civil Aviation, wherein Indigo CEO Peter Elbers has been summoned by the DGCA, and other senior officials of the Indigo are also present inside right now. Now, why was this meeting called for? Because this was basically an extension given by the DGCA to Elbers, the CEO, and Indigo to respond and give a comprehensive data report with respect to the minimum flight operations, with respect to the crew rosters, the pilot rosters as well, and giving an entire lowdown with respect to the cancellations and the refunds as well. So currently, as we speak, Indigo officials and the CEO are being grilled inside the DGCA office right now, and likely being quizzed about, very specific data points at this point with respect to the entire fiasco up until now. Remember, everything started on December 3rd, and it has been melting down over the past couple of days. Yes, flight operations are resuming to normalcy now. They're crawling back to normalcy. In fact, even baggage returns and refunds have also been processed 100% is what Indigo CEO has said. But of course, this very important meeting is going on underway at the DGCA office right now.